Hello, today we're going to go over how to do portals. So portals are a page type that we have. We have two page types. One is called pages, and it's more for static pages, where it's just like text and images and stuff. And then we have portals, and the portals are the ones that you end up putting widgets on, and they're pretty dynamic. So first we're going to go over how to make them. There is a few ways. There's using this plus here. You click that and it'll be made. There's also one where if you come here to Site Settings and Navigation Editor, if you hover on any of your menu things here, like say this one or this one, click that, you will have an option to click a new portal here and have it automatically be added to your navigation. We're going to go ahead and use this one here. So if we go ahead and click that and go to Portal, you'll be asked to title it, and then the URL should automatically populate. So we're going to call this vid portal, and click submit, and then you'll be sent here. Don't mind this so much, but there is this. So this is what a portal will look like. You can commonly see them, say, on your front page a lot of times. It's the middle area that's between the footer and the header content areas. So if I go over here, we can go ahead and see that. So like a portal is like here. And then you also frequently find them in departments like this, where they'll be your front page. So if you end up seeing this light color here, this means that you are able to put widgets in it. So you would add a widget by coming here to plus, or add a widget, and then you can pick from our extensive widget library. I'm going to arbitrarily pick some just to show you. So there's that. And let's see, let's go ahead and do, sure, let's do a countdown. Let's do department list. And we'll do one more, maybe a calendar. See if there's anything on it. Okay, there's that. So as you saw, they came in like this, but you can actually change the layout. So you can go here to edit layout, and then you can pick from any of these splits here. I'm gonna go ahead and do maybe this one right here, T-split, and click save. So you can see they're all still here on their like one column, but you can move them around by dragging and dropping them. And if you want to move them, you can move them down like that, and you can set up your pages like that. Check that out. So when there's that, when your widgets come in, they will end up with this bar here. Depending on the kind of widget it is, you may be able to edit, say, like a page or something. Yeah, so there's these bars when you bring in a widget. You are able to edit these by coming here to the gear here. So this gear will actually do the settings for the kind of widget that you have. An exception would be, say, like the text box widget. Now that one actually will let you edit the page that is connected to it, depending on how it's connected to that page. But in general, this gear here will actually let you edit the settings of the widget. And then these bars here, you can edit those by coming here to this pencil. And then you can come here to layout, and then you can pick from these options here on what you want this to look like, or if you want one at all. See, I made that one disappear. You can edit these when there's other portals or other widgets in them. Just move them around, change them as you wish.